I love drama and rumors. I like talking my shit.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobViral at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video. I'm about to do a demo, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
Woo! This is the one where you installed from the back.
Yeah, I switched from Resilient to Sundown X 12s.
Uh-oh.
I gotta help you out. It's fucked up.
Hey, the bass in this is... Wow. So you went from... So now you have the Sundown X12s.
Sundown X 12s with Dave Lee, Progressive Road Spiders,
Yep.
The SPO Spider Packs,
Okay.
Mega Rolls. They're all basically Dave Lee drop-ins.
Yeah.
And switched over to a Crossfire 16K at half, and then 95 MRC Max, and upgraded the alt to a 390
Wow.
from JS.
Are you, is it, can you see night and day difference?
Oh yes,
You
for
can?
sure.
Okay. Are you more, so you happy with it now? Or?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, awesome. What is the tuning? Did it change at all slightly?
It's 28 still.
28?
Yeah,
Okay.
we haven't messed with that yet.
Okay. Wow. All right. Did you ever burp meter it yet?
There's a 160.4.
Nice. Whoa. Okay.
I like talking my shit.
Like a spaceship.
I'll give you a little bit. This one's 27.
20, okay. Window up still is fine?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll roll it down after this knowledge.
That's all good. Hey, we're good. You got a line too. Jeremy, right?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you, Jeremy. Thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Woo! Now my back itches. That was great. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.